Welcome to Southeast Ohio Solar Haven. Hey, I'm still here. I'm still alive. Everybody probably thinks I dropped off the face of the earth. No, I've been sitting here actually playing with lithiums. Um, I bought a bunch of lithium batteries, as you can see. Battery hookup, that's where I got them from. Um, this big battery here, got my finger in the way, of course. This big battery here I got from Battery Hookup. And right there it is, 8S. Well, it says 30.4, but on the specs, as you can see there, 33.6 constant voltage, 2 kilowatt battery. And I charged this sucker up, and along with these packs too, they're both combined. Because that will do 33.6 too. That'll do 33.6, no big deal. It has a BMS on the pack, but I'm not sure if they're working. The biggest issue I'm having for BMSs is trying to find a 8S Dolly version of that. I don't want LiPo 4, I want lithium, and trying to find an 8S version of this for this pack. So that's my difficulties right now. I've been taking apart these battery packs here that I bought from Battery Hookup. Now, I am going to say something, and I'm a little upset with Battery Hookup with these batteries. Not that they're bad, it was the way they were sold, because online they're sold like this, saying they're 3S 2-piece Samsung module 2600 blah blah blah. That's what they say, that's for sale. Well, the very first module I pulled out, I get these cells. I get the 18650 26F Samsung cells. Now these cells has already been pulled out, but only one pack of batteries had that in there. What I ended up with I ordered 20 of these packs. 19 out of the 20 were all these cells, the NCRs right here. For me, I was kind of upsetting because I was wanting cells to match these cells in these packs, because what I wanted to do was take these cells here and stack 2 extra cells on top of them to increase the capacity of these packs. But I wanted all the same cells. So I'm just going to say, this is the pack you'll end up with NCR cells. If you're unlucky, if you're lucky, you get all Samsung cells. They'll work, but not what I wanted. But anyway, yeah, I've been playing around with these, and check out this voltage. I'm setting at 32.31. This is 3 days so far without hardly any extra charge. I probably today maybe got 2 or 3 amp hours of charge on it, because it's been so gloomy and snowy here. And so for the last 3 days we just haven't had no sun. It's, barely. I mean, you could tell by my battery monitoring system for my main bank, you can see where that's at. Look at that, consumed 295 amp hours. That's on a 1290 amp hour bank, so it's getting a little low. I don't believe this is fully in sync with my battery bank, because it's more like 80% right now. But this right here, yeah, I could testify about lithium. I think it's great stuff. The batteries hold up to what they wanted, what they should do. This battery, when I got it, They rate it for 2.04 kilowatt hours, and it tested out at 2 kilowatts even. So I don't think these batteries were hardly even used. They are Samsung SDI batteries. They were in like a big UPS systems or whatever. And I think these batteries, or this battery in particular, wasn't hit hard at all or hardly even used because of the amount of storage capacity it has left in it. It might as well be at 98, 99% storage capacity. So I figure this battery will be with me for a while, and it'll last a long time. A lot of people is going to question, what's this on? Well, my little glorified system right here, as you can see, it stepped down to 12 volt, but 13.74. It's replacing this battery here. It went dead on its head. This is my 12 volt system. All it is a glorified system to charge my tablet, my phones, my LED light overhead. If I need to use it for anything, it's, little radio system. I got 4-speaker system with little subwoofer amp. It runs. That's what this system runs. It's basically a little thing to charge my phones, tablets, have some LED lighting, and have my radio system. But I wanted to give you all an update. I haven't been doing any updates on it, but this battery, I wish I'd have bought 10 of them. I could have probably dealt with this type of battery in my main, but I really want to go with the BMW series batteries in the 7S configuration. That way I can bring it down to 29.6 volt instead of 33.6. But this works for this because it works. It works. That's all that matters. It works. It works. It works. But yeah, that's what I've been doing here lately. Been playing around with these batteries here. I don't even think really they've been used. I think they sit in a warehouse. I mean, you can see the code date on them. These batteries are spec'd out at 2900 milliamp each, and I've been getting anywhere between 2850 out of each one of these. Now, with it being, I charge them up this way, so of course I'm getting a higher number when I have them in the charger. It's like around 54 to 5500 milliamp hour out of two of these, so that's expected. I mean, if you look at the pack, it's rated for 5500 milliamp hour, and I've been getting 5400 out of two of these consistently. So I've got a box full of them here already ready to do whatever I need. But yeah, and I still got more of these. I think I've got 5 more of these I need to take apart, strip out. I've got all kinds of 3S BMSs. They're probably 5 amp rated. They got temperature sensor still on them. All I done was unclip them. So if anybody's interested in these, heck, I'd probably sell them cheap if they want some for a 3S pack. It's only 11.4 volt, but yeah, or 11.1, whatever. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you guys know what the heck was going on, how everything was going. I'm still breathing and I'm still alive. Just playing around with these lithium, and this is fun. Anyway, I want to thank you all for subscribing. I want to thank you all for still watching my channel. I know I haven't been doing a lot of updates here lately, but it's winter time and it's cold, and I don't want to deal with the cold, and I just want to, hibernate in my cave. But anyway, I hope you all stay safe, stay warm in winter time, and don't get sick. Sayonara, and later, guys and gals, and behave yourselves.